Put that right on top. Was originally going to open this way later, but time's now. Oh. Come on. God damn it. God damn it. Cool. Good shit. This is awesome. Let's see what we got here. Golden Knights fan right here. So this is perfect. I'll throw that in with the collection. Should be the Falcons, Winter Soldier, Falcon, whatever thing right here. Oh, it's the Mandalorian. I don't like Star Wars at all. This will be for the investment collection. Pack of... We'll start with this one first. Oh, shit. Pack of 2021 all rookie football cards. Let's go. The only one that'll be worth a shit ton will be Trevor Lawrence if he does good. Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Duelists. Let's go. The fuck is this? Mini action die now. Let's get these bad boys right here. Look at that. Rayquaza V. That's actually worth like $30 as it is. I got this in Geneva. Careful. Goddamn. 1991 Major League. Unopened since 1991. Awesome. Long before I was born. This one will go up in value a lot. Javi Baez, signed pin. Oh.